Untitled Traders, this is Dan, and I'm going to review with you the 7 trades that we had last week in the Weekly Options Trader, all of them expiring profitable. And in the Weekly Options Trader, it specializes in selling options and spreads that expire 10 days or less around compelling short-term turning spots. And we make our money through time decay as the option decays day by day into expiration. And additionally, we get paid as the stock moves in the desired direction and volatility contraction. We were 7 for 7 last week. That's bringing our 4-week total to an astonishing 43 out of 46. Typically, we say that we bat over 85% success rate, and we've just been on a great tear here over the last month. So congratulations to those that have participated. Amazon here, it was earnings. And it blew out earnings, and it had a huge gap, as you can see here, to all-time highs. And all we do is wait for an intraday bearish setup, and we got it in the green trading room on what we call a 5-minute sell setup on a bounce and reversal. And then we sent out an alert to our subscribers to sell an out-of-the-money 2085. So notice the stock was around, it was around 2045 at the time. So we sold it $40 higher. So we're selling a 2085 call. We're buying a 2105 call. That's what's called a bear call credit spread. We took in $1.48 a share. And all Amazon has to do in less than 1 day is not close above 2085, and we make $1.48 a share. I'm not assuming anybody would do a 10 lot, but just to show you the math, if you sold a 10 lot, that would be $1,480 that went into your account. That's yours to keep. And we love doing these, particularly on earnings and gaps, because the volatility is real high. And we love gaps. Sometimes we do directional trades, but we love doing these credit spread trades because the stock can bobble around sideways, it can fall, it can even go against us up to our break-even point, and we still make money. So that was what we call a 0 DTE credit spread. And Friday was earnings, obviously, and Friday was the expiration of the option, and so we have a 0 gap risk. Using master trader strategies, it's very easy to use the charts and predict these turning spots. Let's look at the other 6 now. Tesla, we did the very similar thing last Thursday on earnings. It was a big gap up. We got a bearish intraday entry. This one and we sold the out of the money 675, 685 call spread. So it was over $25 higher. We sold at the time, or $30 higher. It closed at $650, and it went against us. So, I mean, think about that, folks. The stock can go $30 against us, and we still make our money. We sold it for 85 cents a share, and we closed it out at 1 penny just to avoid any further risk, and the stock went against us. It's a fabulous strategy. Dish. We shorted look at all these tails, folks. That is a sign of money. At the low point of every one of these tails, it was an ugly red bar. This would have been an ugly red bar, but it actually gapped down to the tails and snapped right back. So we sold earlier in the week a $36 put. We bought a $34 put. That's called a bull put credit spread. Sold that for 25 cents. So if you did a 10 lot, that's 250 bucks. And we don't care if the stock went up, chopped around sideways, just stay above this $36. And for anybody to say chart analysis doesn't work, it's just is an ostrich approach of putting your head in a hole. Some people say it's a coin flip, you can't predict direction. Well, we've been at this almost 3 decades, and we've been doing it successful with 85% success. All these, it's just a no-brainer. All these tails of support, all we're doing is saying don't go below 36, and I keep my $250 on a 10 lot. So that one expired worthless at full profit. Roku here, on this sell setup right here, the red bar, we did a bear call credit spread way out of the money up here, and we sold it when it had 8 days to expiration. And because we got a beautiful move on Friday, we were able to close it out at 82% of max gain and avoid 7 days of additional risk. So we just took our money and moved on. Lyft, we did a bull put credit spread where we sold the 46, kind of similar to that Dish. All it has to do is hold support here, 46, 43. And so see, if you bought stock, it's dead money. But when we sell a put spread under support, we're making money day by day through, as I said, time decay and any volatility contraction. Spiders, we love trading credit spreads on spiders because they have multiple expirations during the week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then they have quarterlies on Thursdays. So we sold a 0 dated expiration on the spiders, and for 38 cents, and then we closed it at 3 cents the following. Actually, yeah, so we sold it with 1 day to expiration. So we did it on this day right here. We sold a put spread that expired the next day, and on the gap up, it started selling off. We said, just close it for 3 cents, close to our maximum gain. Finally, Netflix, we did a bull put credit spread. This was showing incredible strength, and we did it on this green day right here, and you can see it went against us a little bit, but our put spread was way the heck under here, folks, 325. One of our master trader strategies is, this is what we call a wide range igniting bar from the trading range. As long as it stays in the upper 50% of this, that's bullish. So that was another winning trade. And we sold it for 68 cents a share, and it looks fantastic. In fact, we're going to give this to our subscribers over this red bar, last Wednesday's high. If it can take that out, particularly with the broader market showing weakness, then we're going to do another put spread on this. So I hope that helped. Check it out. Sign up for a month. It's it's like under 39 bucks a month. The weekly options trader, we give between 4 and 10 trades a week, just like the ones I'm showing you right now. Sometimes when we're very active, it can be around 15 trades, but we've had a great run here. Our subscribers are doing great, and I mean, just take a look at what the SPY is doing. So this has been all over the place. So yes, we've caught directional moves, but that's an incredible track record we have with all of this recent volatility. So check us out. Good trading, everyone, and see you next time.